Hi everyone, I am preparing to do my nails. If you remember, I shared with you guys that while I was sick, I could not go out and sit to get my nails done. I just couldn't sit there that long. So when I went to CVS to pick up my prescriptions, they had the Kiss nails on sale. And if you bought 2 boxes, you got a 3rd box free. These nails are gorgeous. You can see here on the left side of the screen the pink nails that I wore during my birthday. And when you put them on with the glue, they're only supposed to last like 10 days, but the nails actually stayed on like closer to 3 weeks. I'm getting ready to soak off the old nails. They're a little loose, but I don't want to pull at them and ruin my nail beds too badly. So I'm going to soak off the old ones, and then I think I'm going to apply the burgundy nails next. I'm going to save the blue ones for girls' night out. I love the stones on these blue nails, especially the striped ones. Those are absolutely gorgeous. So I just wanted to tell you about these nails. You can pick them up at your local CVS store, and some beauty supply stores also carry them. So after I soak up the old nails, I'll be back and I'll start to fit these nails to my nail beds, and I'll get them glued on. Here I've taken the time to insert some pictures of the soak off process. I'm using acetone in a plastic container. You should either use plastic or glass, never use metal. I'm also using a pair of nippers to help with the process. Here, my nails are all clean. The nails are soaked off now. And I did have to file them down. They were kind of weak and I lost the length, unfortunately. I was able to use this emery board here to reshape my nail. And this is the nippers that I use to help do the cuticles and give myself a manicure. I've selected these nails. These are Gel Fantasy. These nails that I selected will look like I went to a professional nail salon to get them done. Right now, I am looking at the nails and I am attempting to determine which nails will fit my nail bed. Inside the box, you get some accessories. These are the pull tabs that will adhere the artificial nails to your nail bed, or you can use the glue. I think that I am going to stick with the glue because it did really last a long time. I'm noticing this time though, in my box, I just got the pull tabs and the glue. In the first box, I did get a small emery board and an orange stick, but that's okay. In 2 of the boxes, I got 24 nails, which is enough for 2 applications, and in the 3rd box, I got 30 nails, so that's 3 applications for $24. You cannot beat it. Going to the nail salon costs much, much more. So now I'm taking the nails and I'm applying them to my nail beds to get the proper fit. And what I noticed is that you can invert the nail. The nails are designed to be squared at the end, but when you invert it, it's sort of rounded just slightly. So I am trying to decide which way I would like to wear the nails. And I have decided to wear them just as pictured on the box. And I'm going finger by finger to determine the correct size. And then I lay them down in a row so I can just easily select the one that's appropriate for my nail bed as I work. That thumb is a long story. I heard it years ago in a car door, and I rarely get anything done to it because chemicals always bother my thumb, so I don't do it. But today I am going to try to use these nails and we'll see how it works. When I lined up the nails, I decided to invert the pinky nail just for a little added flair. Now I have my glue. This is the standard glue by Kiss that comes in each box. And I just took the tab off the tip. You want to make sure that your glue is flowing easily. And I did put down a towel to protect my desktop. And ladies, be careful. This glue is so sticky and it will get on your fingers a little bit. But just have some cotton balls and acetone available, and when you're done, you can clean up your fingers. I actually had Mr. G to clean my fingers for me. I didn't want to take a chance on ruining my set once I was completed. And these are coming out really pretty. It takes about 3 seconds for them to set up and maybe 5 minutes for them to completely harden. I did not immerse my hands into water once I was done for about an hour. I did wash my hands when I was done though. And I just need to do the pinky on this hand and I'll be all set with the left hand. And then I'm going to do the right hand off camera. And see how I inverted that pinky nail? I always have to be a little bit different with my bling bling. You guys know I love bling. Now I'm adding some cuticle oil. My hands tend to be really dry in the winter months. So this helps with peeling and cracking. And I'll let that sit as I do the other hand. Now I'm all done. I've washed my hands. I've applied some body butter to my hands to get them nice and moisturized. And I'm very happy with this set. I think it came out very pretty. Again, these are Kiss nails. They were purchased at CVS drugstores for $8 a box. I think it's a fantastic price and a fantastic set. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye now.